right, friends, get those pencils ready. We're going to be drawing Gohan as a kid from Dragon Ball Z. All right, so to start with, I'm going to have his head kind of here, and he's got kind of a big old bucket head in this example. And then he's got some arms coming up forward, showing how ferocious he is. He's got like a waist, and his little legs are coming out. And he's got very much a dropped waist thing here. There we go. Okay, that'll give me kind of my proportions. All right, so we are gonna start with his wackadoodle hair. So I've got my oval here, but I'm gonna start kind of down in the middle because the hair is pretty much half the head in some of these examples. And then we've got a C here for the ear. And then we've got, let's see, we've got a shoulder coming off the ear. And then we've got an arm that is kind of in, like his arm is like a letter, what would that be? N, kind of. And then his arm comes down, elbow comes back up. We have like a little C bracelet here, like that. And then we have bump, bump, bump for the top of his hand. And then we've got 1, 2, 3 lines. And then it comes around like that, and he's got a fist with a little thumb like that. And there's his arm. We'll kind of draw this down a little bit further there. Now you should see it. Okay, now we can finish his hair. So it comes up from his arm, down, up, over, little curly, little kind of coming around. Got his little alfalfa sprout coming there, comes around. And then it meets up with the other side like that. Okay, so there's his hair. Now we're gonna come down from this part, and it's gonna come down and out. So it's not coming straight down, it's in and out. Then I'm gonna have his chin kind of right here. So it's gonna come up and curve up like that to match up with the face. Then this line is going to be more of a rounded line, where this line has kind of a jaw. All right, so then he's got this mouth that's short on this side, comes up, it's longer, kind of comes around like that, and then he's got like some little teeth in there, and then he's got a little nose, little indication. And then he's got some very furrowed brows going diagonally, like that. And then he's got these eyes under the furrowed brow, like so. And I'm leaving a little white. And then he's got like a little line under his eyebrow, or under his eye for his cheek. And then this one, same thing, comes up. All right. This side's a little bigger, comes down, back around, and his eyeball on this side's much bigger because it's closer, like that. And then we've got another cheek line, and there's his face. All right, so then he's got a little piece that comes here, and then it comes straight down, and then it comes down, and then comes back over, and then comes back up next to his arm. All right, then over here, this piece comes back down, down and in, and then we have his waist over here that comes down, and then this one has a smiley face, so it's got a curved line that kind of comes up, and then it comes back down, around, and back up, and it's got like some little folds in it. And then this piece underneath of his face, it's got like some little fluff lines, like it's like fluffy. There we go. It's white and fluffy. All right, so then his other shoulder over here comes around, then it goes straight, then his other arm comes down, we have an elbow, then we have a curved line for his bracelet thing, and it's a little bit bigger. That side, you don't see it quite as much, okay? And then his arm comes back, it overlaps here. Then for his arm, or I mean his hand, it comes out, wiggle, 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 wiggle. Then we're gonna draw 1, 2, 3, and 4 this time. And then we've got some little finger lines. And then he's got a little triangle here, which is his thumb. There you go. Then we got his pants. So they're gonna come down with some little folds in them, like that. Then it's gonna come across, come out, in, around, and it's gonna come back down, out, in, come around. Go. Then we got his little boots, just like that. And then this one's coming out with a little pointy toe, coming back. Got some little boot lines on it. And then this one's facing forward again. So we're gonna come around like that. And we got the boot that comes down, around, pointy, and then back up into it. We got some little fold lines in the boot. And there we go. Let's see. We've got some little lines in here. Some lines for the shadowy area. And now he's on the ground. This is the sky. And again, you can see like my sketch went a little bit lower in some areas, and that's okay. It gave me the basic gist of where this guy was on my paper. Hey, if you enjoyed watching this, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.